Hi friends! Today we're going to make chocolate fridge cake. You will need white chocolate, biscuits, butter, milk chocolate, cereal, and maple syrup. First, you will need a heat-proof bowl over a bowl of warm water on a low heat. You need to stir in the butter and add the maple syrup. Mix them together until they are blended. Then we will add in the milk chocolate. Break it into pieces to make it melt faster and gently stir it until it is fully melted. Once your chocolate is melted, crush up your biscuits to make them into small pieces. This can be a lot of fun. And add them into your mix. Stir them in so they're nice and mixed together. Then you can add in your cereal as well. Once your mix is ready, you can take it out of the bowl and put it into a pan, ready to go into your fridge. Press it down to make sure that it's all nice and together. You can also make this your own. You can change any of the ingredients around to suit what you like, and you can add on top your favorite chocolates, some raisins, or maybe some marshmallows. Make it your own. Then we can melt the white chocolate the same way as we melted the milk chocolate, butter, and maple syrup. Put them into the bowl and gently stir them until they are nice and melted together. Then you can scoop it up and put it on top of your chocolate fridge cake, and then put it in the freezer for a little bit longer, and then your fridge cake is ready to enjoy. Share your creations with us on StoryPark. We can't wait to see what you create.